What's up guys, welcome to the channel Bullets Garage. Today we have a special video. I'm at my Lexus dealership at Woodfield because we're upgrading to the 10-year anniversary RCF. Just kidding guys, we're not upgrading. I don't want an RCF. I love my GSF, but they have one here. I'm gonna give you a walk around of it. Here it is, the interior guys, with this special edition blue seats, blue steering wheel, different stitching. Whoever was sitting in here was sitting hella close to this steering wheel. Looks like they tinted the windows on this one because they weren't tinted when we had our annual meet. All right, let's hop in here. Nice steering wheel. You got the white in the middle of the steering wheel to let you know the orientation. Seats, same bucket seats as the GSF and the previous RCF, just different stitching. I don't know why this watch looks super cheap compared to the one on my GSF. Fans, I do like the new upgraded screen. It's a lot bigger than the previous one, which was super tiny. But the thing I don't like about the RCF is this layout right here. Like, I don't know, it just doesn't do it for me. Like this piece right here especially, it's too big and too bulky. They need to shrink this down a little bit. There's no need for this to be so big. I mean, look at that. Not a fan. Sorry guys. For those of you that have RCFs, I don't have anything against the exterior, just this piece right here, I don't like it. Other than that, you got the new trackpad instead of the mouse that I have. Map, menu, return. A little bit of storage space, not much. Useless back seat that can't fit anybody. Should have just made this a two-seater and you know, reduce some weight of the car instead of putting two useless seats in the back. But it sure does feel like a special place to be in. You know, the 10-year anniversary is a very special car. I am a fan of it. I love the exterior color, but maintaining that color is a nightmare. I mean, what I would recommend if you buy this car is to take it to Chicago Auto Pros right away and have them put on the Stealth paint protection film from XPEL, which will retain the matte look on top of this paint, but you'll be protected. 100% would do that, because you get a bird poop on this, water spots, it will be a nightmare to get rid of. So let's step outside and see what the retail on one of these bad boys is. All right. 2019 Matte Nebula Gray, 84,889 with the tinted window privacy glass for $700, 85,584. So if you guys got deep pockets, please come to Whitfield Lexus, check out this beauty and get it out of their show floor. They need this thing sold. It is a beautiful car. I love the black wheels and I love the blue calipers. I would swap those calipers onto mine with the wheels in a heartbeat if I could, because I like the blue calipers. They got such a nice flake in them. Let me show you the front ones because they're nice and big. Look at that metallic flake in the caliper. Looks awesome. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Come check out this RCF at Whitfield Lexus if you want it. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.